Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Bumble and Bumble BB Tonic Lotion Primer. It's a medium weight pre-styler with soothing side effects, and it's 8 ounces or 250 milliliters. Some of the things that are great about this product is that it's a rich mix of herbs and tea tree oil. It tames and detangles, refreshes your head, feeds your hair with, and soothes your scalp. You want to spray on damp or dry hair, comb through, and style. And that's basically it. It's just a nice thing to add to your hair regimen. It's a primer, like I said. It's soothing, in my opinion, or from what I've noticed with it. It reduces frizz. So I was recommended it by a salon stylist, and I use it basically to freshen my hair between washes and detangling. I don't exactly know what a pre-styler is, but it's something that helps with getting the tangles out of your hair. So after you use your shampoo and conditioner, you spritz on the lotion primer and run it through either wet hair or dry hair. Like, you can freshen it up between washes the next day and, blow dry the lightly damp part of your hair. It has a great lemongrass scent and tea tree oil combo. And the primer pre-styler dries soft, adding a little shine to the hair, no grease or oil residue. But I use it both for when I wash my hair and when I also just need to freshen up the next day or two. Usually I'll wash my hair every 2 days because second day hair is always the best. Your hair has some oil in it, it has some shape. The first day is not always the best. You want your hair a little bit dirty to achieve that style. So Bumble and Bumble is a great company that makes really amazing high-end hair products. Like I said, I was turned on to this by a stylist who said to try it, and I like it. I think I've used about a little bit less than half, maybe a third. I'd say a third of it is how much I've used, and I really like it. So it's a primer and it works for me, so I have no problems with it. I don't know if it's tested on animals or not. It's distributed out of New York and London, but it is made in the USA, which we like. And everything else is in a foreign language, so I have no idea what that means. But the Bumble and Bumble Tonic Lotion Primer, medium weight and pre-styler with soothing side effects in 8 ounces. Just a good product. I use a lot of products in my hair before I dry them because I want to make sure that my hair is protected and heat styling is not going to damage my hair. So I do a lot of heat styling, I do a lot of blow drying and curling, and you definitely need to condition and also put these products on that help prevent any damage done to your hair when you use heat styling products. So this is just another step to add to your hair routine, the BB Tonic Lotion Primer by Bumble and Bumble. I highly recommend it. I would give it, 4.5 stars out of 5. I don't know if it's a solid 5, but yeah, 4.5 stars out of 5 is pretty damn good. And like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the BB Tonic Lotion Primer, Bumble and Bumble.